Let's talk about Cuscen's systems for scalability, and is it flexible? Cuscen ERP is designed to streamline various businesses, functions, and processes through a centralized platform. This ensures optimal efficiency and flexibility, helping your business operate smoothly as it grows. As a class-based solution, Cuscen ERP offers an excellent accessibility and cost effectiveness. This allows your team to access the system from anywhere, facilitating remote work and collaboration. Cuscen ERP allows companies to scale their operations rapidly, whether we are expanding or downsizing. The system can adjust resources and user license to meet your needs. This flexibility is crucial for adapting to market changes and business growth. To support changes in organization structure and functionality, Cuscen ERP offers extensive customization options. You can tailor workflows, reports, and dashboards to align with your specific requirements. This level of customization ensures that the system grows and evolves with your business. In summary, Cuscen ERP is a robust, flexible, and scalable solution designed to meet the dynamic needs of modern businesses. Its cloud-based nature, combined with extensive customization options, make it an ideal choice for organizations looking to optimize their operations and support growth. Thank you.